Have you ever heard the story of the tiger and the donkey? It's a simple tale, but it carries a powerful lesson. Never argue with those who refuse to see the truth. The donkey said to the tiger, "The grass is yellow." The tiger replied, "No, the grass is green." They argued and argued. Finally, they decided to go to the lion, the king of the jungle, to settle the matter. Even before they arrived, the donkey shouted, "Your Majesty, isn't it true that the grass is yellow?" The lion replied, "Yes, the grass is yellow." The donkey rejoiced, "See, the tiger always argues with me. Punish him." The lion said, "The tiger is sentenced to 5 years of silence." The donkey left happily, repeating to himself, "The grass is yellow." The tiger remained confused. He asked the lion, "Why did you punish me? The grass is green." The lion replied, "It is green." "Then why the punishment?" asked the tiger. The lion said, "Because you wasted your time arguing with a fool, and then bothered me with it as well." For him, the truth didn't matter. What mattered to him was to win. You knew better, yet you argued anyway. Stop arguing with people who don't care about the truth. Your time and energy are precious. Do not give them to people who put their ego above everything else. The lion said, "The grass is green, but the tiger is foolish for arguing with a donkey." Remember, sometimes silence is stronger than any roar. Be wise, not loud. If you liked this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more moral stories.